All right, what's going on, everyone? This whole content production thing is getting quite complicated as I have my phone recording over here for better audio, and then my camera that I'm holding while driving, but I'm gonna try not to look at the camera, but yet put it in a spot that works. How's that? Anyway, I wanted this to be a daily detail tip, but I really, it's kind of an overarching just thought that I have, and that is to over communicate with your clients. Over communicate what you're gonna deliver on whatever service they want. And a lot of people reach out, maybe not necessarily a lot, but whatever. People reach out, ask me all the time, well, are your clients okay with a spray wax instead of a paste wax? Are your clients okay with this? Are your clients okay with that? And the answer usually always is, yes, of course they're okay with it. And why are they okay with it? Because that's what we've communicated the plan was gonna be from the very beginning. So over communicating with your client, informing them the pros, cons of whatever situation they're going with, whatever service they're going with, the pros and cons for it. You know, if it's a spray wax, hey, the durability might not be there, but it's, you know, it's more cost effective or budget friendly is what I like to say sometimes. Or if you're bouncing around between coating companies, you know, and the customer asks, is this coating the right one for me? You know, what are the pros and cons of this coating? You talk about that. You don't oversell and underdeliver. You always want to under promise and over deliver, right? But as long as you and your customer are on the same page, you're never gonna get hung out to dry, so to speak. So whatever you do today, or as you go on in your day-to-day business adventures today, as I'm on my way to the next appointment, trying to juggle all these multiple recording devices and looking like a complete weirdo to everyone else driving around me. Over communicate, over explain. I've never been bummed out when I over communicate with a client. I've always been bummed out when I under communicate, because under communication means usually I'm gonna lose money on the deal, which it's not always about the money, but I'm gonna lose out on something on the deal. How about that? Whether it's my reputation or money or whatever, I'm gonna lose out on something. So over communicate with your clients and save yourself a ton of headache.